And this is just a token of our appreciation for the program. So this is for you, sir.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so much.
Shem, you want to come and take a video of this? Shem, this may be, I think, one of the most touching presents that I have received. It's been signed by different artists of the Meghalaya Grassroots program, and it's really something very meaningful to me. So I would like to thank all the performers, and I want to tell them that I am very proud of them. I'm sure the state is very proud of them, and we look forward to supporting not just the 7,000 artists we have, but many, many more in the future. So thank you so much, and wish you all the very best.
So we'll have a shot of the entire band.
कसम से
आपको ज्यादा अच्छा गाते हैं हमसे। Thank you very much and enjoy.